Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Brittany Story here, and you are in Nifty space. So today's video is going to be an update on me cutting my hair. So I cut my hair like a year ago, and I chopped a lot off, and I honestly don't recommend anyone doing that unless you're a licensed hairstylist. I cut, I think it was probably like this much off. And what I'm gonna do is insert obviously some pictures so you guys can really see the growth. So yes, this is my hair now, 1 year later. When I stretch it out, it's to my waist. So yes, I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks on growing long natural hair. So yes, number one, moisturize your hair daily. First, what I like to do is get my hair wet, and then I like to go in with a leave-in conditioner, something that has natural ingredients, something that is thick enough for my hair type, something that also doesn't weigh my hair down either. I like to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. That is amazing. I've been using that one lately, and I really like that one. With my hair type, like I said also in my other video, I like to wash my hair once a week. And that may not work for you, but that just works with me and just the type of products that I use. And sometimes I use gel in my hair for certain styles. So yes, I wash it once a week, and whenever I can finger detangle, I like to, because that causes less breakage. So definitely that. The shampoo and conditioner I am currently using is the Shea Moisture Coconut Curl and Hibiscus. I think that it's okay. It's not bad. I find that sometimes it can make my hair a little tangled, so but it works for now. So yes, that's what I'm currently using. One of the biggest things that I've found with my hair journey is limiting heat. I have not put heat on my hair for maybe over a year. I don't want to say 2 years, that may be a reach, but yeah, I know for a fact I haven't put heat on my hair for a year, because I know with heat damage that can compromise the curl, that compromises the texture, and your hair typically will be thicker, curlier, healthier when you're not damaging it with heat or any other chemicals. I haven't dyed my hair either, which I really want to dye my hair, like a burgundy or like a cherry cola, but I probably am not going to and shouldn't, so no dye in my hair. Also, I drink tons of water, and I find that that works really great. You definitely want to be mindful, of course, of what you're putting on your hair and body, but you even want to be more mindful of what you're putting in your body. Make sure you're consuming fresh produce, greens, fruits, less sugar, less fried foods, all that good stuff, because our skin and our hair and our body, we need all the nutrients that we can get. So yes, definitely be super conscious of what you're putting on your body and what you're putting in your body. Also, what I like to do too is weekly, I like to give myself a scalp massage, like I said in my previous video too. And the oil that I'm currently using is the Tropical Oil Red Pimento Black Castor Oil, and I've been massaging that in my scalp once or twice a week for honestly 5 minutes. I really don't do it that long because I just don't have time for that, but I have found that that works really well. And I found with that consistency, it's a little bit thinner than your regular black castor oil. It does have a slight smell, but I feel like if you're into natural products, you won't mind it at all. So yes, no heat, natural products. Make sure you are tending to your hair every day. Fruits and veggies, tons of water. Also, when you are styling your hair, make sure you are not trying to manipulate it too much, if you know what I mean. So if you're doing a ponytail, make sure it's not like super, super tight. I know sometimes braids can be really helpful with hair growth, but I have done research and I have seen that sometimes if the braids are too tight, or if you don't take care of your hair while it's in braids and moisturize, your hair is gonna break off. So yeah, or if the braids are too tight, pull some edges back. We don't want that. So yeah, you guys, those are my tips that I have found that have helped me through my natural hair journey, and 1 year's worth of growth. Comment below if you have used some of the products that I mentioned in this video, or what you guys are currently using to grow your natural hair longer and stronger. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, you know the drill. Subscribe, comment below if you want to see more videos like this. Do all that. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys soon. Bye.